Melissa. Today we're going to make a dragonfly straw puppet. For this puppet, you're going to need heavy cardstock, lighter paper like construction paper or just plain white paper, copy paper, straw, color of your choice, glue, scissors, hole punch, Google eyes, and they can be any size that you choose, and some markers. First, you're going to take your scissors and cut a strip along the long edge of the cardstock, about 1 inch wide. Leave some of the cardstock and roll it over to make your dragonfly's head. Use your glue and secure the loop to make the round head of your dragonfly. So you have an accordion fold, just like your puppet here. Now it's time for you to color your dragonfly's body. Use any color that you'd like. You can even mix colors. Once you're finished coloring, make your accordion folds it once again and take your hole punch and punch one hole that will allow your straw to fit in. If it's too hard to do it all the way through, just take it apart. You have your indentation where your hole is, and do each individual square. Now you have holes that you've made to secure your straw. Take the straw of your color and place it in each one of the holes. And that makes your dragonfly's body. Next, you're going to add your 2 Google eyes. And let those dry. Now you're going to take your lighter paper and you're going to design your very own wings. And what I did, I looked on the computer for some wings. Sort of looks like butterfly wings. It's thin in the center. And I folded it in half, placed it on my paper, and traced around it. And once you have it traced onto your paper, put the end on that folded edge and cut around. Once you finish cutting and you have that center and you open it up, you will have your wings that can flutter. Add some glue to the center of your wings. Attach it to the back of your dragonfly's head. And now you have your very own dragonfly puppets that you can have fun with. Happy fluttering! See you next time.